I want to show you guys how to color grade pictures like this from the scratch. So this image, I want to build it up from the scratch to the top. And after this, the presets that will come out of it, I'm going to give it away for free. So you have to watch the video to the end to get it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, like this post. Don't fail with that. Share it, very important, and turn on your post notification for more videos coming forward. So I want to restart this. So restart, as you can see, this is how it looks. The greenish feel, on color grading and all that. So what I'll do first is come here, 4x5, that's Instagram. Turn to this extent, make it stand or stay erect because I took the picture in a bent form. So this is what I have, right? Well, the first thing that I will consider, is I know that the thing is greenish. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to come to this extent, touch the magenta to an extent, and I'm pushing the worms. And that's why you always advise people to shoot raw. So I'm pulling this in this much. So this is a little bit too much. I'm taking this back a little. Now I've already done a percentage of the job. So we've moved this from this to this. So after this, what I'll do is I'll add a percentage of shadow, add this, highlight -3, white minus, let's see, -20, right? Then I'll pull in contrast, or the haze +2, and then contrast +2 as well. So far so good. We are going in the right places. Take this to 5500. The next thing I'm going to come for is the skin tone. So let's look at what's going to happen. This, I'll come here, use my point color, or I'll use my mixer. So I'm going to use this mixer area. This is color mixer spot. So I'll come to hue. When I come to my hue, I will go with the orange and I'll go away from the greenish. So I'm going to -4 and I'll come to luminance and I'll pull up the luminance +5 so as to give shine to the skin, as you can see. So this is what it looks like right now. After this, I'll come up again to this place, pull up my blacks. After that, I will now come down to color mixer. This color grading area. I want to add a percentage of blue to the background or to the shadows. So I'll pull this to this extent and I'll add this. I want to add warm to the highlights. Then I'll come to the midtones and I'll keep it around here. So I want this shining skin tone. So as you can see, we've moved from this to this. So I'm okay with this. The next thing I'm going to do to come to where I have my mask. What am I targeting? I'm targeting her skin specifically and her clothes. So I'm going to wait for the people mask to load. I'll click on people mask. When it loads, the first thing I'm going to do is to select the face and the body and then click create mask. I will remove this create to separate mask. I want every effect I'm having to affect two of them together. So I'll create mask. Once I create mask, what is my target? Add white to the skin. Remove the haze, just a little contrast from the skin. Saturate it to an extent and make it warm slightly. Add the percentage of magenta, just a little, and I'll pull up the exposure. That is what I want for the skin. So let's see what we have. This is what we have for the skin. That's the first skin lady, and that's what I want. Now the target next is going to be her gown. Her gown, I want the highlight to drop and I want the color to be whiter. So I'll click on this again, which is the plus, and I'll see select people. Once I have people selected, I'll click on this and I'll just go for clothes. Click this, only the clothes will be selected, create a mask. What's my target? This, the gown. Taking this down, white, just a little. Then I'll drop the highlight so that the details of the gown will pop up. Then I'll improve the contrast to maybe 30 so the details of the gown can pop. And then the next thing I will do is to add blue to it and then desaturate to an extent. See this? That's what I have done so far. Then I think so far so good. I'm done. As you can see, the white is up, the skin is cool, the environment is a little bit brownish, which I don't like. I want it to be white. click on this, come down here, and I'll come to select background. Come to the background, just add blue to it, just a little, magenta to an extent, and then add white from here manually. Reduce contrast, improve blacks, take blacks up somehow. So as you can see, we've been able to move this image from looking like this to looking like this. I want to touch the skin a little from here. Come to this place, use point color, pick a tone, then move around towards this end. So this is my point color. I used it to move around. This is also a place where you can navigate the skin tone slightly and then see how the results pop up. After doing it, you can come down like this and maybe add saturation to it or what you want. So keep this at +2 or -2 and then add luminance. So far so good. We've moved from this greenish feel, colorless flat image to this stunning portrait. So up here, magenta seems to be too much. I'll take it down. +21. So far so good. We've been able to generate something amazing. So I'm going to save this preset. Let me show you how I am going to save it, so you can also do it for yourself going forward. So the settings, everything I've adjusted stays the same, right? Everything I've adjusted stays the same. So I'll just come here, come up to where I have presets, click plus, see create a preset. I'm going to put it in one of my preset packs, which is where I have my regular preset or prime pack, and then give it a name. Bright Steph. So create. It has entered here already. See it here. So I'm going to reset this. Reset. Take it back to this. If I click on this here, it will pop up like this. As you can see, this is what it will do for you. Minus the masking and other things around it, it will create the same effect for you. So you just do your finishing touches when you're doing your editing and you'll get it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, like this post. Don't fail with that. Share it, very important, and turn on your post notification for more videos coming forward. See you in the next one. Now go down to the link just around this video, open down the link below. You will see the link to get the preset. So click on that link, go there, download the preset and use it for your experiment in Lightroom. So go and get lucky with the preset.